Alright guys, Monster4399 here. I'm gonna do my Angry Birds collection. I have 1, 2, 3, 6 things. First off, this case. It's the King Pig Angry Bird case. And my shirt, Angry Birds. And then, one of the things I can't show you because it's in my game room. It is a lanyard though. It is an Angry Birds lanyard, but these are pretty cool. They're Band-Aids. It's a big bird, yellow pig. You can see both, kind of, two of the blue birds. The white bird, another pig, and a red bird. There's more. It says used for minor cuts, scrapes, and burns. But they're pretty cool. I like them. My pig hat. I love this hat a lot. So that's them. Hold on, I just dropped my hats. Hold up. Sorry about the camera, guys. We have I put it right beside my pig hat because I have all my hats hung up. So I put it on this little hook. But today my grandma actually bought me 2 plush. She bought me that one too. But I accidentally cut the one off, the tag off that, so I can't hang it up. It's a plush, but it is a dog toy. Don't know if she's trying to say that. But considering the pig's my favorite, I still like it. Makes noise. Pretty cool. I think he's an 8-inch though. He's pretty big. He looks like an 8-inch. He looks like a 5 or 8-inch. I don't know. I think he's an 8-inch. Oh, let me look on the tag. I don't know if he's an 8-inch or not. Sadly, it doesn't say. Oh, it says on the bottom tags. Hold on. Yeah, guys, I'm sorry. I don't know what size these are. I think these are the small. These are either the small or medium plush. But I love the pig. I'm also getting probably about a month or two. I'll be getting new shoes because I found some really cool Adidas. Yeah, it was Adidas shoes, but they're Angry Bird shoes. But anyways, I got the yellow plush also that she bought me. Angry Birds. Yeah, it makes noise. This one makes 3 noises of the Angry Birds. But this one only makes 1 of the pigs. See, it's the same one. Hold on. So, this one makes 3, that one makes 1. But, yeah. I plan on keeping this collection going for a while. I want to get the more Angry Birds. I want to get more than I have. I think I'll make another channel just for Angry Birds. Because I'm getting new shoes for Angry Birds. So, I would show you my lanyard, but it's in my office. And I don't feel like going to my office right now. Well, not like office, like work office. But in my house office. So yeah, that's it. Yes, thank you guys for watching.